just here to unbox a selfie stick or stand. Now, this one was under 30 Australian dollars on Amazon. And I was looking for actually things to extend, like a light stand. So I want to be able to put things on a light stand. But I saw this. It says it's 1.8 meters in length, and it was fairly light. So I thought I'd give it a try. It's not really a light stand, but I could put an action camera on this, or maybe even a very light mirrorless camera, I guess, or my Pocket 3, but it won't have the same width of the base, so you're probably going to want to use it on fairly good firm surfaces, like an even piece of concrete. But anyway, let's open it up and have a look. I just thought I could probably put this to use anyway. Okay, so you got your box, a little book telling you how to take selfies, I guess. A warranty, so it comes with a 1-year warranty. I don't know if that's in every location or just in Australia. And then you've got the actual device. Okay, so it looks like it comes with a wireless, I don't know if it's detachable or not, but a wireless shutter release as well. So that's interesting. Let's just have a quick look. So you can hold it like that, like a selfie stick. It is plastic. It's fairly light, although it's a bit top heavy up here, but it's probably light enough. I don't know if there's any trick to getting these open, or whether you just pull it open. Yeah, you probably just pull them open all at once. Okay, so it sort of acts like a tripod. Okay, so it wants me to lift this up. Okay, I'll try and show you the base. That's reasonably wide. How would I describe it? 12 to 14 inches, something like that, I guess. So yeah, on a good flat surface, that'll be fine. Now, let's just have a look. I'll collapse that back again and have a look at how this extends and what we've got on the other end. So here you've got a phone holder, which, okay, so you spring out those, and then it's, yeah, spring loaded, so you can get your phone on there. Don't know if you're probably going to be mounting that horizontally. I don't know if you can, if this will do portrait. Probably not. No, I don't think so. Not on my phone. That's, oh yeah, no, it will, because you can twist this. Oh, there you go. So you can do portrait or horizontal, and then, okay, so you've got a built-in quarter screw as well. That's quite handy. That means I don't need to use the action, like the GoPro action type mount. I can just put my camera direct on there. One of my cameras, the Canon R50V, has both a bottom and a side quarter mount, so I can just screw that straight on there. You're not going to get a full range of motion, but what you could also do is get one of the very small lightweight ball heads and put that on there. Then you'd get a full range of motion. So let's just have a look at how this expands. Okay, so it's fairly tight, so that's not going to, okay, yeah, that's quite tight, and like it says 1.8 meters, so oh yeah, there's more inside there. Yeah, it's very tight. So that is not going to, even with a heavy camera on here, that is not going to collapse down. So that's going to stay up. Quite impressed, actually. So yeah, you could definitely use it as a selfie stick, or as a standalone stand like that. Now, oh yeah, okay, so I wasn't sure, but definitely the remote slides out, so that'll be a Bluetooth remote that you probably compare to most things, most cameras, phones. If there's anything I'm not able to pair it to, or if there's anything to say, I'll say it in the comments later. But yeah, no, the way that collapses and the two options up the top there, action cam or put a ball head or small mirrorless camera, this looks like it could be quite handy. And look, it's less than half a kilo, so it's not that heavy. Okay, yeah, that'll fold down like that. So that's quite a neat package. Probably 12 inches long, 30 centimeters. So you should be able to take this with you pretty much anywhere without too much of a problem. And yeah, you're going to get 1.8 meters. That seems to be quite okay for under 30 Australian dollars. Anyway, I don't think there's anything else to say about that. So we'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.